Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your WarriorPlus affiliate settings. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To update your WarriorPlus affiliate settings, start by logging into your WarriorPlus account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the top right corner of the screen. Click on your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Affiliate tab. Click on the Affiliate tab to access your affiliate settings. Here, you'll see various options related to your affiliate profile. To update your payment information, find the Payment section. Enter your preferred payment method and any necessary details. Make sure to double-check the accuracy of your information. Next, move to the Profile section within the affiliate settings. You can update your name, email address, and other personal details here. If you want to change your affiliate link, look for the Affiliate Links option. You can generate a new link or edit an existing one as needed. Scroll down to the Notifications section if you want to manage your alert settings. Adjust the notification preferences according to your needs. After making all necessary changes, be sure to save your settings. Look for the Save Changes button at the bottom of the page. Click on it to ensure all updates are applied. Review your settings one last time for accuracy. You have successfully updated your WarriorPlus affiliate settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typo. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.